much time you can waste on me. There's only so much time you can waste on me. Sometimes I believe in God, punishing for lack of faith. So just to say anything, I say that I love you too. Only so much time you can waste on me. There's only so much time waste on me.
That's a good fucking play right there. That's a good fucking play right there. Shit. Fuck. Oh shit.
They did. Together we don't like anybody. I feel sick cause I know you're gonna run, and I can't blame you.
Holy shit, I'm actually the fucking GOAT.
I'm out raw! I'm out raw!
Oh my god!
Dead.
I'm picking the perks that I never what? What?
I'm picking the perks that I've never perked. Is that what you're about to say? Can Ball split his nut stream into two for us?
What?
My fault.
What?